celotex, literally through all the boots gone in and just there so I don't. Oh, you donkey! Switch on. Sure. So when Tom whackers over it, it'll be more or less level. Then what I could do is just look for any uneven bits where there might be a bit of a dip or a bit of a bump, and we'll level them off again with a straight edge. So this is our blinding coat on top of our MOT. You just keep going. I mean, that looks pretty good as it is right now actually. Yeah, looking alright. Right, see you in a bit before we put the membrane down. Down with the visqueen. Not visqueen, I keep calling it visqueen, that's a really old term. DPM. You wet from the back forward, matey? No? Hey, do you want to take that way?
Yes.
Because we can get a couple of slabs in just to hold it. Can't we?
Yeah.
We can get a couple of slabs in just to hold it.
Yes.
Cheers, me duck.
No, we're putting it here. Yeah.
Got enough up the water. Is there enough to go into the alcove?
Yeah. Oh, God.
Right.
Same again.
Take it away, mate.
Your end there. Back to me. Alright,
We'll have the biggest overlap we can. Fly past there, mate.
just a minute. One bit back to me, mate. Right.
Hang on, hang on. Don't go too far.
Skip's here.
Right, get it back there. I was pulling out at that corner. Let's just get rid of these.
Bloody hell, that was a dash. So, we ordered a skip fits come tomorrow. I said, oh, we can bring it this afternoon. So we just have to literally throw all the kingspan in and just sort it out. So I've just done a reverse hospital corner there. And then what we'll do is whack it on there. Obviously, the external corners, you have to cut it. Yeah, so we're going to get it all set up, get it all taped where we should, and then get this down. Still can't get over that 150mm thick. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Celotex is owned by St. Groban, who are the same people who own Weber, produce Weber, are the same people who just bought out Jewson's, which means it is produced by Stark, which took over the Jewson's branch and the St. Groban. So the skip came early, like I said, so Nathan's got the very important job of filling it. We're cracking on getting the insulation down. Oh dear, look at the thickness of this stuff. Anybody else think insulating an extension to an inch of its life is pointless when the rest of the house is nothing? I mean, that's a 50mm cavity in there.
Oh, my back. Yeah. Right, let's get that cut. That's 10mm to. How big is that? Oh, let's say it's this one. This one here. There.
Got all our upstands cut already. Oh, it's such a crutch. F you! Oh dear. Oh God, I've had it.
That's it. Good. What's all? Whoa.
Again?
Yeah, it's inside, isn't it? Otherwise it'd be damp as hell. Well, what damp it's called. Yeah, but it absorbs all the moisture. Suck it onto the ground and start smelling. Oh, that's the thing. That's what they're saying. Garage? I mean, where Nana's had got a kitchen. Yeah. Well, not when it was a garage, I didn't.
No, yeah, that's what I meant. When it was a garage, you insulated it.
No. No, he got a brush to show the shit on. It's best insulated at the beginning before they change the regs again. Okay, now. Keep on the battle.
Check that bit of plastic.
You know this room. Oh!
Aye.
It's in my eye! 15, is that tight up where you are? Yeah! 15,
You're on the
45.
wonk there, mate. You're on the wonk.
Hey?
You would take me if you running diagonal.
15, 40.
Quick sum up. Nathan's just put these battens down because he's bringing a lot of crap through, so he's got it protected. So we've run out of tape to stick the corners down, so I've just got a piece there, I've got a piece there. Same at these corners there, like you can see the bit of plastic there and the plastic there. I've got to set them ones off, so I think we're ordering the concrete. We tried to get it to touch the PC all afternoon, but his phone's not answering. But yeah, so hardcore, or MOT'd, sand, you saw was whacker it, damp proof membrane, 150mm, celotex, and then another membrane. So that's that, and Nathan's doing a good job filling the skip again. So right, checking out for today. Good morning, it's Monday morning. Oh, the tape, well, the sort of taped it up, yeah. Right, we're expecting the concrete today at 9 o'clock. Yeah, we've had a bit of rain. I'll see if I can maybe give it a sweep out. It's gonna be a bit difficult though. At least we're ready. So I think the concrete's ordered for 9 o'clock. We'll go from there. Don't know what else to say.
Yeah. Brake. Yeah, good brake.
only ever us two. No, just like a garage. Yeah. You have a garage door, doors.
Thank you, son. Let's see what.
Alright, yeah. That was put your bike in here. Yeah, more bike in that.
Alright.
Yeah, come on then. Okay. Fill your bolts. Can't be far up, can it?
No, there's just a little bit left in now, that's all.
This is down. You want to get the last bit in the wheelbarrow, Tom? How many barrows do you reckon left in there?
That way they sell to me quite good.
Oh, right, I
Let's have a
didn't
look.
know if he told you how much was
No,
part.
I don't know. No, it doesn't tell me
I
anything.
think we're alright for a bit more.
Yeah, a bit more.
Bit more?
Well, there ain't all left, is there?
Okay.
We can sort it out, can't we? It's actually self-leveling compound like the rest.
That's it.
Oh, brilliant. That's awesome, right? Right, another good calculation.
That's it, my friend.
Brilliant.
Yeah, put your sense and straight on and whoever did it.
Yeah, that'll be
Right,
nice.
I'll pull away and I'll just use one of your wheelbarrows to watch me jump down with.
No worries.
Keep it nice and straight.
You're not washing your fruit out in public. What are you? You got it. Fucking pussy, bastard. Could be there, shouldn't it? This ain't going to be far off, lovely, you know. Love it, top level of it. not a bad call, that. That's good.
Oh, sorry. Oh, there. Yeah, got it.
Carry it out because it'll just level itself. Got a couple more coffees at the weekend. You want to buy me a coffee?
Oh, yeah.
Bloke said, if you want to buy a Tom one, you can do.
Put it up there.
No, the other way around. First guy who bought us a bath, and I went, you don't have to keep doing that, you've already bought us. We've got that old grubby level. We've got that level.
Yeah, it's not
Not another bad calculation, that was it, Tom? Yeah, it's more or less levelled itself, but we're going to get the old level on it. And
This is going to have some self-levelling on it anyway on top.
yeah, as a finished surface, yeah. So we're not bothered about it being perfectly smooth, but we do want to tamp it level. So yeah, let's find that old grubby level and go from there.
Oh, it might be in the back of the van, actually.
Have we still got the big tank there? That big... So it'll go by your email then?
Yeah, if you don't requested a piece of paper, when you made your order, the office would have told, sent a message to the batching department, and then they sent a ticket with it, just basically to say how much you've got, how much concrete you've got and all that, and so forth. But in any other case, it's all tablet now, it's paperless.
Alright, mate, no worries.
Yeah.
Thank you. Cheers.
See you, Paul, thank you.
See ya.
Ooh, that sun's to get warm to evaporate some of this water off. What it is, let's try this One thing about 150 cavities, you can put your feet in them.
Yeah, I knew about that.
Yeah, that's a good. That's how it was a good mix. It basically self-poured, and you just whack it, and it'll just go. It's.
Yeah, you might as well film us doing this.
What are you doing, mate? What am I filming you doing? Oh, I remember that.
Right. You know what to do it, don't you?
Yeah, from to the side.
You do a little fold.
Hang on, yeah. Do a little crease.
So it's like that.
Yeah.
And then we'll do that.
Yeah, and work our way across, keeping it tight.
Keep it dead tight.
We like it tight, don't we?
We do, mate, we do.
So let me get that on
It's a
there.
little bit wet, really, this, but...
Well, I'll take the lumps out of it, won't it?
Oh, yeah.
Give us that inlet. Now walk over.
Sorry, you walk over. Just a minute, mate. Let me just keep it tight. Keep it tight. I'll just fucking hell. What are we doing with Stanley knife? Hang on. You'll keep it tight, mate.
Go on.
Right.
Your strength holds no bounds. Put it right tight, I've got loads of you.
Are you there? Tighter.
Hang on.
Tighter. Keep filming. Ready? Right.
Lay it flat, there we go. Oh, Howard, stop. Go back a bit. Just this. There's a bit raised there.
I just put the hand there.
Yeah.
Go on. Keep your hand bent up. Ooh.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do that.
That's the way to do it. Bonus builders.
Bonus builders. That was it, we'd actually stand in it again.
Right, I'll go get kettle on.
Sounds like a fair swap. Oh, that's going to be a YouTube short, that. Surely.
We're still filming.
Yeah.
Recommendation.
Now, come on. Hands up. Who's seen that done before with DPC?
When it's nearly done up,
Yeah.
just we've got a float there, plastering.
Yeah,
float.
we've got to.
We'll just polish that out, so all the ridges out.
Yep. In fact, we usually do that next day. Last time we did it.
Yeah, we'll probably will.
But there's a chance we might get some rain today. But I'm hoping with the sun coming out now, 'cause it's quite warm now.
There's not a lot of rain in this area. It's
No, but
Blackpool end.
yeah, belts and braces. I got a warning this morning, and that rhymes. So yeah, so getting your DPC, cutting it, keeping it pulled tight, like a curl on it, and work your way across. Come on, who's seen that before? You know, that is brilliant, isn't it? You can't fault that. Sorry.
My dad, Log Derby, showed me how to do that.
You what?
In the 70s.
Who did?
My dad, Log Derby.
Logger Derby.
Logger Derby.
That's
yeah.
what he called his dad. Well, everyone used to call him Logger, didn't they?
Yeah, he was a big builder in the 70s and 80s.
Yeah.
70s, 60s, 50s, 60s and 70s and early 80s.
1920. No, but it's the top tip, that, and it. Come on, admit it. So all I want you to do is just admit it. Everybody's wondering, it looks like the concrete's lower there. It isn't. It's just that the insulation we put in was bigger than it needed to be, so it flies past the bricks. So it keeps all that front edge nice and tidy. We're not going to get it soiled with anything. So that's the reason why you can see a lip there. No other reason. Just wanted to point that out.
Oh, you donkey!
I fell over that fucking...
You get that on camera. Look at that, viewers. Fucking useless. You can't get them. Can't get staff.
Are you starting again or what?
Yeah, we'll have to. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep it dead tight. Pull, try and pull me over.
Ah, look.
Here we go the other way now. Pull it tighter. There you go, that's better. Now, that's it, keep it there. Lovely.
There you go, so we've got some water off, pushed it that way and then brought it back. Easy.